Everyone wants to know this number. How much do I need to retire? But here's the problem. Most people are guessing. Some think $200,000 is enough. Others say $500,000. And some believe, I'll just figure it out when I get there. But what if I told you, you might need $1 million or more just to live a normal life? Let's break it down properly. In the last video, we talked about the reality of retirement. Now it's time to answer the question everyone avoids. What's my number? Because until you know that, you're not planning, you're guessing. And guessing with your future? That's risky. Here's the first mistake people make. They pick a number instead of building one. Retirement isn't a fixed price. It depends on your life. Ask yourself, where do you want to live? What kind of lifestyle do you want? Are you traveling? Supporting family? Because your retirement could cost $2,000 a month or $6,000 a month or more. That's a huge difference. So instead of guessing, we calculate. Let's build a simple example. Let's say your monthly expenses look like this. Housing, $1,500. Food, $600. Transportation, $300. Bills and extras, $600. That's about $3,000. Month multiply that. $3,000, 12 equals $36,000 year. Now here's the part people ignore. That number will not stay the same. Inflation will push it higher every year. So what costs $3,000 today could easily be $4,000 plus in the future. Section 3. The formula that changes everything. Now let's turn that into your retirement number. There's a simple rule called the 4% rule. It means you can withdraw about 4% of your savings per year without running out too quickly. So if you need $40,000 a year, your total savings should be, that's $1 million. And that's not for luxury. That's for a basic, stable lifestyle. Section 4. Why most people get this wrong. Here's why people underestimate this number. 1. They ignore inflation. Money loses value every year. They underestimate how long they'll live. Retirement could last 30 plus years. 3. They forget healthcare costs, which can be massive later in life. 4. They assume expenses will drop, but often they don't, so their comfortable plan ends up being underfunded. Section 5. Reality check moment. Let's pause for a second. Be honest with yourself. Do you know your number? Or are you just hoping things work out? Because hope feels good, but it doesn't pay bills. And the earlier you face this, the easier it is to fix. Section 6. What you should do next. Here's what you need to do starting today. Step 1. Calculate your monthly expenses. Be real, not optimistic. Step 2. Factor in inflation. Assume things will cost more. Step 3. Use the 4% rule to estimate your target savings. Step 4. Start closing the gap. Saving, investing, building income. Because once you know the number, you can build a plan. Here's the truth. Your retirement number isn't random. It's personal. And ignoring it doesn't make it smaller. It just makes the future harder. Now you know your number, but here's the scary part. Even if you hit it, you could still run out of money. In the next video, I'll show you exactly why $1 million might not be enough. Click the next video right now. Subscribe so you don't miss it, because this isn't just about retirement. It's about control. Here's where we start transforming your mindset. Retirement isn't just a future event. It's a critical part of your journey. Imagine waking up each day without financial stress, knowing your lifestyle aligns with your dreams. This vision requires a plan, solid research, and determination. Once you grasp your personal retirement number, you can cultivate a roadmap to that future, taking charge of your finances instead of leaving them to chance. Before diving into your personal number, it's essential to understand the broader landscape of retirement expenses. Many people make the mistake of only considering their basic needs, overlooking other vital elements that can sneak up later on. Think about your monthly groceries, irregular expenses, and even fun activities or hobbies you want to pursue. As you factor these in, be honest with yourself. These costs add up, and when multiplied by years of retirement, paint a clearer picture of your required savings. The journey to financial security in retirement is paved with honesty and vigilance. As you assess your desired lifestyle, Envision not just the essentials, but also moments of joy, like traveling to that dream destination or indulging in lifelong hobbies. Every little expense plays a role, and understanding this will empower you to establish a sustainable plan. Remember, it's crucial to ask yourself how much freedom you want financially as you approach retirement years, because this will directly impact your personal number. By embracing this proactive approach, you'll not only prepare for unexpected costs, but also secure a fulfilling retirement aligned with your aspirations. So, let's take a closer look at some common expenses that frequently catch people off guard. For instance, think about the social activities you might want to enjoy. Dining out with friends, joining clubs, or attending concerts can quickly add up, creating a significant portion of your budget. Moreover, don't dismiss the potential costs associated with home maintenance and repairs that can escalate as you age, making your earlier estimates obsolete. Always remember to factor in the unexpected joys and hiccups life may throw your way, as it's the unanticipated expenses that often jeopardize well-laid financial plans. First, consider your healthcare needs. Many underestimate these expenses, which can rise substantially as you age. Regular checkups, medications, and long-term care services can take a considerable bite out of your budget. Additionally, don't forget that personal desires, such as fitness memberships, wellness programs, or even alternative therapies, should factor into your financial planning. This comprehensive view will help you visualize a realistic financial future, ensuring you're equipped for both anticipated and unforeseen needs throughout your retirement life. With each segment of your budget carefully laid out, you'll gain confidence in your retirement strategy, turning anxiety into proactive planning for the years ahead. Let's address some overlooked aspects of retirement expenses that can significantly alter your financial strategy. Have you considered the impact of inflation on your anticipated costs? A coffee that costs $3 today may surge to over $5 a decade later. Furthermore, as you age, your healthcare needs may see an unexpected rise. Routine checkups could evolve into specialized treatments, often incurring higher rates than previously estimated. Such variations can turn that comfortable retirement plan into a tightrope walk. By calculating these projections, you'll ensure that your savings cater to real-world costs and not just ideal situations, mitigating the risks of running out of funds. As you refine your understanding of retirement expenses, let's focus on specific scenarios that can influence your saving strategies. For example, picture your ideal retirement home. Will it require renting or owning? If you plan to relocate for a more favorable climate or community, consider how housing costs might fluctuate in those areas. Additionally, think about the travel experiences you've always dreamt of. Unexpected trips and excursions should factor into your monthly budgeting. Balancing these aspirations with your financial capabilities creates a fuller, more vivid picture of your retirement landscape, enabling you to save effectively without sacrificing joy. You'll also want to account for the potential costs associated with family support. Are you considering helping your children with major life events, like weddings or education? Or perhaps you might want to provide assistance to aging parents? These financial commitments can quickly add up, reshaping how you approach your retirement savings. Balancing your dreams with these responsibilities is vital for a truly secure and enjoyable future. Think about this. Retirement is not merely an end, but a new chapter filled with possibilities, enriched experiences, and cherished moments. Each decision you make today will cascade into tomorrow's reality, shaping how you live out your golden years. Embrace the power of foresight, take proactive measures, and set the foundation for a life that reflects your values and aspirations. Your financial health will dictate the path you take in life's next adventure, so start planning now for the legacy and future you desire. By understanding your retirement number and preparing for both expected and unexpected expenses, you pave the way for a more secure and fulfilling future. Embrace the journey toward financial independence, recognizing that the effort invested today will yield a brighter tomorrow. Take control, plan wisely, and ultimately live the retirement you envision.